Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.